Ayan po tayo ngayon, medyo low effort lang. Tensya na kayo sa mga followers ko dyan. Nagkakaulanan kasi nakakabad trip naman. Wala muna tayong vlog today. Phone lang kasi mababasa yung DJI, bawal siya mabasa. French? Italian? I don't even know. Just so you wait. Just wait, guys. Wait lang. Kukunin ko yung mic. Ay, dito pala yung mic ko. Post ako dito. Natatawa kasi baka mabasa yung camera ko. I don't wanna to get wet. But good morning. Welcome to day 2 of our Korea trip. It's 4 degrees. It's so lamig. We're at Italian and French village. It's day 2. Umuulan siya. And it's stressful for me kasi basta nakatago yung camera ko dyan somewhere. But this is the look, guys. Ayan na yung sister ko, guys. Ayan na siya.
Magmamaganda lang.
Arte-arte niya, sabi niya. Isa na, iba sila dito kung gusto mo.
Gusto ko lang kasabas. Hindi na talaga ako matulog.
Fit check, guys. 1, 2, 3, go. Twirl.
Urong pa. Dito backward para kasya lahat.
Ayan.
Welcome to my vlog. China.
Okay, there's a family. Sinundan nila ako. After ako sungita ng ate ko, sabi niya, di sunday mo sila dito. Wala nga magpipicture sa akin. Ang hirap ba nun intindihin? So, gumawa ako ng paraan. Yan na nyo. Talaga nag-isip ako ng sobrang pag-iisip. Paano ako makakuha ng aesthetic photos? Kasi, what's the point? Diba? What's the point? Ayan na, nag-aapuran na siya ngayon sa akin. Napicturean ko siya. Kanina pa ako dito, nalulungkot ako na wala magpipicture sa akin. Parang tang.
Ngayon na lang, may mapapicture dito.
Ano kasi? Dito kasi nadidikit yung mga tours something. Nandito yung sa akin, oh. Bye-bye. Hi, guys. We're gonna have our lunch. This is the vibes. Yung vibes. Got bibimbap. This is my sister now. So, this is a pre-booked tour. Wala naman, yun lang.
Wow, ko may chicken.
Yeah, may chicken na kami kasi chicken yung kinain namin.
We're inside. Ferry muna tayo doon.
Auntie, you love us.
Welcome to Nami Island. For today's video, we're here at Nami Island.
Yes.
Vlogger ka?
Hindi naman. Asan ka?
Hi! For today's video, we're here at Nami Island.
Yes.
With Trixie and...
I'm Lau.
Oh, you're Lau. I'm
Yes.
Trixie.
Hi, Trixie.
So we're going to the ferry right now with my friend Lau.
Yes.
And it's very cold. The weather is not giving.
Yeah. I love it. Ayan, friends ni Trixie.
Yeah, Trixie Garcia.
Welcome to Puerto Galera.
Meron akong friend. So cold! And... Ha?
Coffee.
Meron?
Dito.
Sige. Yan, dyan kami magka-coffee. This is inside Nami Island. Oh! Philippines! Wait, pabakit ako sa inyo Philippines. Yes! Philippines! Kamusta ka? It's cute. And this is me. Cold and freezing. Parang hunter. But make it cute. Video natin ng ate ko para matuwa naman siya sa akin. Sister, dali! Walk ka dito, dali! Walk ka lang. Aura-aura ka lang dyan, sis. Oo, ang ganda. Ayun yung sister ko. Giniginaw na siguro siya sa buhay niya. Ha? Ay, naantok daw pala siya. Ay, gusto ko dito. Nothing special. Special is the trees that's lined up perfectly. My presence makes it special. It's pretty. Yun lang. Cafe vanilla latte. Hot. One. We're here. Cheers. Wow. Now I ordered cafe vanilla latte. It's 6,500 won. Cute ang mga ganyan-ganyan dito. Cute naman. Ang cute. Ang sakit ng ulo ko kasi ang lamig ng ulo ko. The bomb at the hotel. So I bought one here. 3,000 won. So worth it. Shopping, shopping. The busy streets of Myeongdong. Wow. Can you believe I'm walking in Myeongdong right now? This was a dream 3 years ago. Now I'm doing it. Kami ko ng freebies. Ito ng pwesto namin for our dinner tonight. Guys, this samgyeopsal experience is so worth it. Lalo na tong beef nito. Hindi mo na natin ko kay Papa. Edit it down here. I dipped it in something ganon.
Ito po.
Wow.
Ang dito makin silagay pa dito isa.
So good. So worth it.
Yummy.
It's so nice soup. Ginaw na ginaw yan. Happy birthday, Yoongi. I love you.